Hi guys, are facing the problem of recovery problem in Windows 7, 8, 10 and 11? Let's fix it. I have a solution and I'm going to share it. After sorting down your computer, then what you have to do is again press the power button. Okay, when it comes the Windows icon there blinking, then after forcefully press the shutdown button about 3 times. Okay, yes, it's time. Now press the power button forcefully, shut down it. Again restart. Again do the same. Press the power button and shut down forcefully. Again press the power button. It is testing the memory from my Dell laptop. I'm going to press escape here. Going on the preparing automatic repair. Okay, is diagnosing your PC. Yeah, now you can go to the, you have to try from the USB, bootable USB pen drive. Okay, what you have to do is you have to be your pen drive, then after you have to make bootable from the OS, and after insert in your computer, and after boot from your pen drive. Okay, okay, now restart your computer. Press F2 or Del key to go to bus menu. Zoom it. Then I'm gonna go to the boot sequence. Okay. Then after select the USB storage at the first. Okay. Then after to the exit. This is my Dell laptop. Okay, press any key to boot. Okay, yes, then after now click the next button. Here you can find out the repair your computer. Okay, and click there. Yes, hence you can go to the advanced repair option. Okay guys, now you can try from the start of repair to. Okay, if not fixed, then try from the start of setting. Okay, start of setting. From the start of setting, you can boot your system in safe mode. Okay, click restart. Try this from. It's restarting the computer. Okay, to start your computer in safe mode, yeah, find out there phone number is for the safe mode. Okay, read the phone number from your number pad Windows start on the safe mode. Okay guys, yes, it's done. Okay, then after, if no problem not fixed, then after try from the next method. Just restart it, then after it automatically start in normal mode. Start anyway. If you have a system restore, then click there and click the Windows 10. Click the next button. Here is I have, and click next and click the finish. Okay, it will restore system. Okay, now back. Go to the troubleshooter. I'm trying from this command prompt. Click there. Okay, from here BOD boot break space / fix MBR. Then after hit enter, then after type there BOD boot break space / then after fix boot, fix BOD boot, hit enter. Okay, access is denied, no worry. Now try the next command. There is BOD boot SECD sector space / NT60 space SYS. Okay, boot sect space / NT60 SYS. Then I'll hit enter. Okay, then after what you have to do is type there BOD boot /work space / fix boot, hit enter. Then after BOD boot /work space / REBUILD rebuild. Okay, hit enter. Then after type there SFC space / scan now, SC scan NOW now, hit enter. Okay, it takes a time. Okay, now it's complete. Then after what you have to do is again next command, that is DSK. Okay, DSK space C : okay, now hit enter. It checks, okay, all the files, corrupted files, and fix it. It takes a few time. Okay, you have to wait too. It's going on progress. Yeah, it's finished. Okay, now what you have to do is EXID exit, then press enter, then click the continue. Okay, this solution fix your problem. Then after it's okay. If not fixed, then after what you have to do is you have to reinstall new OS on your hard disk drive. Okay, after installing the OS, if the same problem occurs, then after you have to change your hard disk and replace the next hard disk, okay, and from this problem will be solved, guys.